I have done videos before about it being in pre-launch, but now it has launched and moments ago has upgraded, and I'm gonna show you what you get access to as a paid member. And the products are linked in bio. I'm gonna show you what that is about in a moment. We have a travel club where you can get big discount on travels, and you earn money when you downline a book through this travel club as well. And then we have a lot of good top-notch marketing training here. I'm going to show you that as well in a moment, and save and get cash back. Now, link in bio is in two ways. You can have all your downlines in wegotfriends see your business link. You just add it here and click on add. As you can see, I have added a link on mine here. I have just missed on not adding a photo, but I will do that. And here you have the link to share on social media, or just copy the link to share where you want. And then you get through the link. When you click on it, you will get like a landing page where people can see your different businesses, and that's a good way to promote. And you get you have this hacks on that hacks training, and you can see the stats of that. Now let's check out all the training you get access to as well. It's a lot of good marketing training. Leads versus bad leads and texting leads, money making activity, replication, delegation, mastermind, and then we have empowering your business cards. And here we have trainings, YouTube training, how to set up, and here's a lot of training on mindset and so on. 100 leads per month, and you will also have your own store where you can sell leads. If you want to get started with We Got Friends, then click. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.